When it comes to engineering, outliers aren't just an inconvenience. They can be a warning sign of impending failure. A faulty sensor reading could mean a machine is about to break down. A manufacturing defect could compromise product quality, or an unusual vibration in an aircraft engine could signal a serious mechanical issue. The challenge? Catching these anomalies early enough to prevent costly damage, failures, or even disasters. This is exactly where FastMCD comes into play. Let's look at a real-world application. A manufacturing company was using thousands of sensors to monitor equipment in a production plant. These sensors collected data on temperature, pressure, vibration, and energy consumption, generating millions of readings every day. The problem? Not every outlier is an actual failure. Machines naturally fluctuate, and if engineers responded to every little deviation, they'd waste time fixing non-issues. On the other hand, ignoring real outliers could lead to catastrophic machine breakdowns. FastMCD was deployed to analyze sensor data in real time, learning the normal operating conditions of each machine. Instead of flagging every slight fluctuation, it focused on detecting statistically significant anomalies, values that deviated too far from the expected behavior based on the correlation between multiple sensor readings. This meant it wasn't just looking at individual numbers, but rather how multiple factors interacted. The results were game-changing. FastMCD successfully detected 15% of data points as outliers in a dataset of 10,000 sensor readings. Engineers cross-checked these flagged anomalies and found that a majority of them corresponded to actual equipment issues, allowing them to schedule preventive maintenance before failures occurred. This reduced unplanned downtime, saved the company millions in repair costs, and increased overall production efficiency. And it's not just manufacturing. Aerospace companies use FastMCD to monitor aircraft engines, detecting abnormal vibrations that could indicate turbine failure long before a disaster happens. Power plants use it to monitor energy grids, ensuring stability and preventing blackouts by catching unexpected spikes or drops in power flow. So, what does this all mean? FastMCD isn't just about finding outliers, it's about preventing failures, saving money, and improving efficiency. And in industries where mistakes are costly, having an algorithm that can catch hidden problems early is an absolute game changer.